Welcome back to our gardening series. Today, we're going to talk about a common problem that many gardeners face, especially when starting seeds indoors: damping off. Damping off is a fungal disease that affects young seedlings, causing them to wilt, collapse, and eventually die. It's a frustrating problem that can quickly ruin all of your hard work. The first signs of damping off often appear as thinning or wilting of the seedling stems near the soil line. They may also develop a dark discoloration or become mushy to the touch. So, what causes damping off? Well, it's usually triggered by overwatering, poor air circulation, high humidity, or contaminated soil or pots. Overwatering creates the perfect environment for fungal growth, while poor air circulation and high humidity exacerbate the problem by allowing fungal spores to thrive. But don't worry, there are several steps you can take to prevent damping off and protect your seedlings. First, make sure to use clean pots and trays, and always use sterile seed starting mix. This helps prevent introducing fungal spores to your seedlings. Next, provide good air circulation by using a fan or opening windows. This helps reduce humidity and discourages fungal growth. When watering your seedlings, always water from the bottom to avoid splashing soil onto the stems. And be sure not to overwater. Seedlings only need moist soil, not soggy soil. Finally, keep a close eye on your seedlings and remove any affected plants immediately to prevent the spread of the fungus. To sum it up, damping off can be a frustrating setback for gardeners, but with proper prevention techniques like using clean pots and soil, providing good air circulation, and avoiding overwatering, you can protect your seedlings and set them up for success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips, and happy